Hi everyone. Welcome back to Professor English Podcast Channel. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Anna. It's always great to have you here.
We bring you fun, entertaining, and easy English conversations every day. If you listen daily, our episodes will naturally help you think in English and speak confidently, just like a native speaker.
That's right. So stay with us till the end because today's topic is very important for your personal life. We're going to talk about how to focus on yourself and your goals.
Yes, in today's busy world, many people feel distracted by social media, other people's opinions, and daily stress. Learning how to focus on yourself is a powerful life skill.
Exactly. And the good news is you don't need difficult English to talk about goals and self-focus. Simple sentences are more than enough.
Let's start with a very basic question people often ask themselves. What do I really want?
That's a great question. You can say, I want to improve myself, or I want to achieve my goals.
Right. And when you talk about focus, a very useful sentence is, I'm focusing on my personal growth.
Or, right now, I'm focusing on my goals, not distractions.
Let's imagine a real-life situation. Someone keeps asking you why you don't compare yourself to others. What can you say?
You can say, I'm working at my own pace, or everyone has a different journey.
Perfect. Those sentences are simple, polite, and confident.
Confidence is important when you focus on yourself. You don't need to explain everything to everyone.
Exactly. Let's do a short role play to help our listeners understand this better.
Okay, I'll be the friend and you focus on your goals.
Sounds good. Let's start.
Why don't you do what everyone else is doing?
I'm focusing on my own goals right now.
Don't you feel left behind sometimes?
No, I believe in my own progress.
Oh, that sounds very confident.
See? Simple English, strong message.
And that's how you protect your peace using words.
Now let's talk about daily habits. Small habits help you reach big goals.
Yes, you can say, I'm building good habits, or I'm working on myself every day.
Many learners ask, how do I talk about discipline in English?
You can say, I stay consistent, or I try to be disciplined.
Great. Consistent means doing something regularly, even when it's hard.
Let's do another short role play, this time about distractions.
Okay, I'll start. Why don't you come out more often?
I'm avoiding distractions these days
Oh, really? Why?
because I want to focus on my goals.
That sounds very mature.
See how polite and calm that sounds? No arguments, no stress.
Now, let's talk about comparing yourself to others. This is very common.
Yes, and very dangerous for motivation.
A useful sentence here is, I don't compare myself to others.
Or, I compare myself to who I was yesterday.
I love that sentence. It's simple but powerful.
Let's add a little humor here.
Okay.
I used to compare myself to everyone online and I felt terrible. Then I realized people only post their best moments.
That's so true. Social media is not real life.
Exactly. That's why focusing on yourself is so important.
Now, let's practice talking about goals clearly.
Good idea. You can say, my goal is to improve my English, or my goal is to get a better job.
Or, I'm working toward my long-term goals.
Long term means something that takes time.
And short-term goals are things you can do soon.
For example, my short-term goal is to practice English every day.
Perfect example.
Let's test our listeners with a quick quiz.
Okay. Question 1. What do you say if you want to focus on yourself?
You can say, I'm focusing on myself right now.
Correct. Question 2. What's a polite way to say no to distractions?
I'm busy working on my goals.
Great job.
Now let's talk about self-talk, the way you talk to yourself.
Very important topic.
Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I'm learning step by step.
Or, I'm doing my best.
Positive self-talk helps you stay focused and calm.
Let me share a short story.
Go ahead.
When I started working on my goals, I felt slow. But I told myself, slow progress is still progress. That changed everything.
That's a great mindset.
Now, let's practice one more short dialogue.
Okay.
Why are you spending so much time alone these days?
I'm learning to enjoy my own company.
That's healthy.
Yes, focusing on yourself doesn't mean being selfish.
Exactly. It means taking care of your future.
Let's add some useful vocabulary for our listeners.
Focus means giving attention to one thing.
Distraction means something that takes your attention away.
Goal means something you want to achieve.
Discipline means controlling your actions.
Consistency means doing something again and again.
Very useful words for daily life.
Now, let's recap quickly before we wrap up.
Sure, today we learned how to talk about focusing on yourself, setting goals, avoiding distractions, and using positive self-talk.
We also practiced simple sentences that help you sound calm, confident, and clear.
And remember, you don't need perfect English to express strong ideas.
Exactly. Simple English used correctly is very powerful.
Your task today is to practice these 3 sentences. I'm focusing on myself, I'm working on my goals, and I'm avoiding distractions.
Say them out loud and try to use them in real conversations.
If you enjoyed this episode, click like and subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons.
Share it with your friends who are learning English too.
That's right. Keep practicing and stay tuned for our next episode.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye.